Videos an afterthought, as they normally are when I do them, because I want to get stuck into the job, and then afterwards I think I should have made a video of that. Anyway, here we are. I'm replacing the fuel sender on this Citroen Dispatch 1.9 diesel 2004. I've got the tank out, and this is it on the garage floor. That's just to keep things clean. That's the old sender unit here. As you can see, it goes that way. The little arm goes up and down. It looks like the new one is slightly different, but the pipes and everything are the same, and the electrical connection looks to be the same. This one seems quite well worn, where it's gone up and down over the years, and it's sending mixed messages to the gauge and the console. So basically all you've got is there's two fuel connectors here, there's two fuel connectors there, and these, just for out of information's sake, these disconnect. You press the white piece, and on the others there's one that's green and one's white. You press those down and then just pull them apart. It's very simple. There's this pipe here which goes up to the filler. This is the blowback pipe to the filler tank. I suppose when it's full up, you've got too much in there, it blows back out the thing. And the main filler pipe is down the side there. The main filler pipe is 55mm wide. My old one is slightly perished in places, so I've decided to renew that as well, and I have this nice new one here to go on. In this pipe there is a non-return valve which is in the van. And is this item here. So it's a little flappy thing, so it goes in the pipe itself and it lets fuel in, but then won't let it back out. So that's going to go in that pipe. This is the cradle that the fuel tank sits on. It's only 4 bolts to hold it up. There you can see there. And I just had a wonderful job because I broke one of the bolts off. 3 came out easily. The 4th one, that one back in that corner, didn't want to. Well, I thought I was undoing it and it snapped. So I've been underneath drilling it, and I finally got it out, so I'm okay now. So I'm just going to put this pipe on, and I'm going to put the sender unit in the tank, and then I'm ready to refit. And I hope you don't get covered in diesel when you do it like I did, because I thought it was empty, but it seemed like it still had 6 gallons in it. There we go. It's just hard to get those last drops out. Why they can't make a hole in the floor of the van so that you can drain it, that would be wonderful. Anyway, there we go. So there's the cradle from another angle. So you do need a trolley jack and a board to rest it all on, and then you can just pump that up into place, and that's ideal. So that's my next task, to fit the sender unit into the tank and whatnot, and then we're done. We'll get it on. Here we are. This is the new sender unit all installed. When you're putting it in, it is sort of spring loaded. It's worth bearing in mind. this is the pipes are clipped on. The small one is the return, green on the other things. So that's fitted, and yeah, I'll just electrical connector to put on. There we are. That's that connected. I've put the hose on there, ready to fit. And there we go.